kids, let's do some math. Day 12 and happy Friday to you all. Hope you have an amazing weekend ahead of you. Okay, so number one, 43 times 2. Like I said yesterday, let's look at this like this. 43 times 2 means we have two groups of 43. So we can write 43 twice, and then just do the addition here. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 86. There you go. Do our little addition symbol. Okay, so subtraction. 521 minus 87. Can we subtract 1 from 7? No, we cannot. Let's look over to the neighbor. Can we subtract 2 from 8? No, we cannot. Let's look over here to the 5. 5, can you subtract 5 from 0? Remember, we got to think of that 0 there. Yes, we can. So we're going to borrow from him. So that 5 is going to become a 4. That 2 is going to become a 12. I'm going to cross that out. It's going to become 11. And now we're going to have 11 minus 7. So 11 minus 7, which is going to be 4. And now over here, 11 minus 8 is going to be 3. And 4 minus 0 is 4. 434. Okay, so number 3 here. Like I said, also we can group these together, which, as Mr. Kuntz has mentioned before, that's the commutative property of addition. So 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's going to be 11 plus 8 plus 2 is 10. 11 plus 10 is going to give us what? Well, that's going to be 21. Number 4, it's 7:55. What time will it be 5 minutes from now? Well, you might be tempted to think this. 55 plus 5 is 60. So it might give you the temptation to write it's 7:60. But that's not right because there are 60 minutes in an hour. So it's not 7:60. When you hit that 60, that's going to bring us to a new hour, which means it's now 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 1/2 of 100. So that's in a division problem. But when you think of that, you're going to cross that out. What's half of 100? That's going to be simply this, 50. Okay? Number 6. So this is kind of fun. So this is a word problem. 5 rows of corn, 8 stalks in each row. How many corn stalks in all? So imagine this. So a farmer has a field of corn. So we know this. There's 5 rows of corn and 8 stalks in each row. So let's take our grid paper over here and let's do this. 5 rows of corn. So each square is going to represent a row of corn. So let's start right here. 1 row, 2 rows, 3, 4, 5. And there are 8 stalks in each row. So we're going to go down this way, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's finish off this box here. And now we have our field of corn. Okay, so there are 5 rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. And there are 8 stalks in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're really just multiplying 5 times 8, which would be, looking over here at our chart, 40. So we have 40 corn stalks in all. So let's bring our packet back over. 40 corn stalks. Kind of a fun one there. Number 7. A student did 5 hours of homework one week. He did 13 hours the next week. How many more? How many more? That's important to know. Hours did he do homework the second week? Okay, so let's just kind of write this up here. So the first hour is 5. The second week is 13. So we know that. How are we going to do this? So how many more? So we're going to subtract 13 from 5 to give us how many more he did the second week than the first week. 13 minus 5 is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So the student did 8 more hours of homework the second week than the first week. And there you go. Next day, it's going to be Monday. So we have a money problem. So you have 90 cents. You're going to subtract 7 cents. How much money do you have left? More money. You spent 23 cents. You give the clerk 30 cents. You get 3 coins. That's important to know how much each coin is worth. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember, the open mouth of the greater symbol is going to be towards the bigger number. Write in standard form 143. Which month has the fewest days? You might need to look at a calendar here for this to see how many days are in each month. The month with the fewest days will give you your answer. Subtraction here, some more borrowing you're going to have to do there. Another word problem, there are 31 children in the class. 26 of them make kites. How many did not make kites? When you say how many did not, you're going to be thinking subtraction. Be thinking 31 minus 26 might help you out there. Awesome. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.